Guys, this is my first video and I'm hoping it can be really good, and I'm going to do lots of fishing and lots of video games, and it's going to be awesome. And maybe I'll do some live streams, and maybe I'll do some vlogs too. Now, I'm hoping I can at least get up to 10 million subscribers. I don't know if I can because I don't have any education right now. It's like summer right now, and I don't do videos like while I'm going to school and stuff, but I'm hoping this is going to be one of my good videos because I love it and it's really fun. So, bye.